today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. And yes, my hair is a mess. But Harper came over yesterday and I got some new fidgets. So, I had to turn my sister's light on. And it is raining, so if you hear any thunder in the background, that's why. Okay, so guys, today I have the one true favorite Pop-It that I got yesterday. It sounds so good on the quiet side, but it's not really that loud on the loud side. So now I have a drawer full of Pop-Its and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you that. I'm just going to get all of it out, and kind of just show it to y'all. But first, I need to get something real quick. So, it's definitely thundering. Okay, well, I have to get something real quick. So, yeah. It's like right in my room. I do have an octopus. I just don't feel like getting it out. I'll show you my octopus in a minute. But let me get all my fidgets and like something. I'm gonna put all my fidgets inside of one place. And that one place is going to be. Yes, I cleaned my room. Finally. Haven't cleaned it in forever. So yeah, and I got my new desk. I just cleaned it. So okay, let me find something to put all my fidgets in. Okay, I'll just use this one. Yeah, I'll just use this old dance bag. I do not do dance. This used to be my old dance bag, and it was like a circle. It's really cute, but I don't do dance anymore. So, it's kind of sad, but I didn't really like dance that much. So, first I got mine. Guys, listen. This is supposed to be the loud side. You hear that? It's kind of loud, but listen to the quiet side. It's a little bit more like squeaky and soundy, like more click to it, which sounds way better. And so yeah, I love this Pop-It a lot. So, the next one, I also got this maze yesterday. Ooh, it's kind of hard. I don't know if you're supposed to go into the holes or not, but yeah. So this maze, it's actually kind of good. Harper made this. She gave it to me. It has hairbands on each side. I don't know why. I love it so much. And it's not like really poppy or anything, but I like squeezing it. So next is my water snake. I love my water snake. And if you ever want to go to get a water snake, go to the arcade. These are only like, I don't know, like 100 tickets, 300 tickets, I think. And it's like really good. Okay, second, I have 2 wacky checks. So I like this one the most. And like, I love it. And then I also have this. I don't really play with it a lot, but you can definitely use this on a plane ride because they're really hard to solve. And you would be like quiet the whole entire time. Like you wouldn't even say a word probably. And then I also have this fidget spinner, and it clicks on each side, each corner. This is my only fidget spinner. So, yeah. Then I have this hamburger squishy. I'll be right back. You're coming with me. Okay, so next I have this hamburger squishy. I love this hamburger squishy. I feel like someone's watching me. I don't know why, but I have this hamburger squishy. It sounds really cool, but I have to get something real quick. So I'm kind of bored, honestly. I kind of want to go to Ryan's house. But let's just finish this so we can be over with it. So, yeah. But all my fidgets are in one drawer, so it's kind of hard. But, like, yeah. So I'm going to get my phone real quick. Try to at least open this. Get my phone. Where is my phone? Phone. Where are you? Okay, well, it's kind of hard to find my own phone because, like, my phone goes everywhere. And I'm recording on my tablet because, like, I always record on my tablet. That's the only place I have to record. So, yeah. I'm going to show you the rest in the next video because, like, honestly, like, I just showed y'all, like, a little bit of stuff. So, I'm going to show y'all part 2 in a little bit in the next video. So, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so every time I post a new video, y'all can watch it. Bye, guys.